Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, my people. It's your guy Benvfx here. You understand? We are back once again during this London section. I think I come very early because I have somewhere to go. I'm not going to stay in the live stream for long, so I have to start early. You understand? So I'll be waiting for your questions. If there is any pair you want me to look into it for you before we go ahead, then you just let me know real quick, real quick. That's fine. Then you just let me know real quick, real quick, real quick. Let me see who is on the line. Let me see. Drop something, drop something, drop something. Let me see. Good morning, good morning. Always active as usual, man. Always active, always active, always active. Good morning. How was your night? How was your night, bro? How was the night? How was the night? How was the night? Always active. Yeah, highly welcome. I appreciate, man. I appreciate. I appreciate your coming one after the other. I appreciate everybody. So, my view on London section this morning, the market is been trending down. You understand? What first of all I will do, I'll share my screen. Then we'll go to this thing, to the chart. Then we'll do a top-down analysis. Let's mark a support at a resistance level where we can maybe spot our buy or a sell from. You understand? That's what we are going to do. So I'll go to the screen now to share the screen with you guys. You understand? I'm going to the screen now to share the screen with you guys so that we'll know what to do. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Real quick. I just wish everybody a profitable day today. Today is Friday. There is news, but not all that high. I think price index, right? Price index news. You understand? By around one, waiting. I check that particular thing on my this thing, OctaFS. I use my OctaFS to check the news. They only show me high impact news. You understand? So I'm sharing my screen now. I'm sharing my screen now. I'm coming. Thank God yours. Okay. Mine is very great, as you can see. I'm here gallant. You understand? I'm here gallant. Mine is very great too. Mine is very great. So let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. What do you want? My night is very, very great. Good morning, Ayomide. You are here already. You are here. I see you, my brother. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. How was your night? Hope the night is very, very nice. You slept well. You slept well, right? Hope you slept well. I just wish everybody a profitable week. Please, I beg, no matter what you do, if you have been making profit throughout the week, today the program today to take all the profits you have been making. And if you have been making loss all the week, today they program it to make you lose more. Maybe you wipe your account, then you struggle throughout the week, the weekend, then you still fund your account on Monday. So what you need to do is to be very, very, very careful. You understand? Be very, very, very careful what you do on the chat today. Okay, I'm very good as well. You understand? I'm very good also. I'm very good also. So be very careful on the chat today. And moreover, there is news by let me check so that I'll tell you guys when they are going to release the news. Let me check so that I'll let you guys know when they are going to release the news. If you want to trade the news, then you stay till that time. But if you don't want to trade the news, stay away before the news. You understand? Let me show you guys where my OctaFX. Where my OctaFX. Okay. All right. If you click on if you click on your Octa first, you go to economic calendar. If you go to economic calendar, this is all the news that is coming out today, all the high impact news that is coming out today. Then the one that I said, like, I filter my own. I only trade Euro USD, GBP USD, and US oh my God, US dollar. You understand? How did it happen? USD, yes. I trade Euro USD, GBP USD, and XA USD. So this is, I filter it. It's only US dollar news, US, United States news, and European news. You understand? Then Great Britain news. Those are the news that they share for me. You understand? Now me filter them by myself. So these are the one that is going to have high impact on the chart today. If you look closely, this is the one on 130. You understand? This 1330 is a price index, this in news. That price index news have high impact on the chart. You understand? Maybe spike up and down. You understand? That's what it's going to do. So you have to be very, very careful. So what I'm going to do on the chart now is to share, like, to do a top-down analysis so that you know what to do on the chart. You understand? So that you know what to do on the chart. Yesterday, I know the market is going to sell, you understand, but I think it will reach this particular area before it will sell to the downside, but it refused to reach here, you understand, before it sell massively to the downside. So let's see how yesterday candlestick close. You understand? Let's see how yesterday candlestick close. See, as you can see, yesterday candlestick also closed bearish, you understand. That time that the market is moving from here to the upside, I told you guys that the way the market is moving is not moving well. Any market that will move well, at least the first candle, the first bullish candle suppose engulf the red candle. That is when you know market that will move very, very well. You understand? As this market is moving down like this, since we have seen a bearish engulfing candle here, let me show you guys the major support level that we will expect the market to reverse from. You understand? This is one major support level, and the way the market is going, I don't think this particular major support level can hold it anymore. But let's see how it's going to play out. Then this is another major support level. This is another major support level. This is another major support level that no matter what the market do, even if the market like let it flash to the downside, this particular support level will at least push it up small. You understand? Then there's another one down again. There's another support level down, because if the market can be able to break where the market is right now, means we have changed direction to the downside. You understand? That's it. If the market can be able to move, continue this move to the downside, break below this particular support level, means the market have changed its direction to the downtrend. You understand? This is the only support level that is holding it from going to the downtrend. You understand? So if the market can be able to break that particular support level, then I'll be expecting the market to come to this particular support level. You understand? I'll be expecting the market to come to this particular support level, break below this support level, retest it, then we'll see a push to this particular one. This is daily time frame. Then after I reach this place, it will retrace a bit, then we'll see another break to this particular major support level down here. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting if the market can be able to break below this particular support level. But on the daily time, on a lower time frame, let me go to 4-hour time frame, then mark a support level and a resistance level out also on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? Because if you mark a support and resistance level out on the higher time frame, you need to mark a support and resistance level out on the major resistance level also. You understand? So this here is the resistance level. Here is the resistance level. You understand? Here is the resistance level, and another resistance level is here, but the market is on a major support level, of which if the market break above that support level now, means the trend have changed totally to the downside. You understand? We have all these resistance level to the upside. You understand? We have all this resistance level to the upside. You get? But the market is the way the market is going now. Once it break that particular support level, means the market is going to the downside. So this is the major support and resistance level on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? This is the major support and resistance level on the 4 hour time frame. Then I'll still go to the 15-minute time frame to be looking out for something from this particular support level. You understand? I'll still go to the 15-minute time frame to be to check or to be waiting for a major support and resistance level. This particular live stream is not going to be long. You understand? I just want to mark out major support and resistance level so that if there is any opportunity, we'll take a trade. Understand? But if there is no any major opportunity, then I'll just do the analysis and maybe go do another thing different. You understand? So this is a major support level. You understand? But since the market consolidate before this particular major support level, the market consolidates here before the major support level. You understand? So if I see any pullback, push down like this, you understand? Let me mark it out. If I see any push down, this is Euro USD. If I see any push down like this, then go see an engulfing candle from here. Means the market is going to break above this particular resistance level, because before the major support level, the market creates inducement. This is what they call inducement in the market. You understand? Before the major support level, the market creates this inducement and it's going to the upside. You understand? It's going to the upside. So it's going to the downside. So if I see any major bullish engulfing candle from here, I'm going to enter for a buy to the upside. This is what I'm going to do. Then you guys know what I always target, 1 to 2. You understand? No matter how, the market must give 1 to 2 before it reverse against you, except if the market don't want to go in your favor at all. You understand? So this is what I'm looking out for. And this is what I'm looking out for. And if the market break above this particular support level, if the market break above this particular support level, then we'll see a push to the downside, just something like this. If the market break above below this particular support level, then we'll see something like this to the downside. This is exactly what I'm looking out for. Either you watch the video now or you watch it later, this is exactly what I'm looking out for. You understand? Whenever you see something like this is exactly what you need to do. If a market is approaching a support level and you are seeing a consolidation, means the market want to grab liquidity and move to the upside. But if anything happens that the market break below this particular support level, means the market is going to the downside. You understand? Means the market is going to the downside. So let's see what will happen from here. And let's see what will happen from here. So this is exactly what I'll be looking out for. You understand? On Euro USD today, this is the two setup that I have. Once the market break below this particular support level, I'll be going in for a sell. And my sell, if I enter this particular sell, I know I'll risk 40 pip. You understand? Because the smaller this thing pip that will use, the market will like stop you out before it will go in your favor. Once the market break below this particular support level, once the market break below this particular support level, this is where my stop loss will be. I'll enter for a sale, and this is where my stop loss will be. Let me carry this particular trend line. This is where my stop loss will be, as above this resistance level. Because if the market reverse back up to take out this particular high, means the market will still go to the upside. You understand? Then if we see a bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level, major support level, then we'll see a push to the upside. This is exactly what I'm looking out for. You understand? On Euro USD. This is exactly what I'm looking out for, Euro USD. You understand? And I'll be waiting patiently for this particular strategy to play out before I take any action. You understand? I'll be waiting patiently for this particular strategy to play out before I take any action. And you guys know, combine it with bullish or bearish engulfing candle. But that doesn't mean that you should not follow your own trading rules. You understand? Follow your own trading rules so that you not end the week in loss. You understand? Because Friday market, they like get as it be. Friday market, they always get as it be. So be very, very careful on the chart today. And moreover, we'll have a news by 1:30. You understand? We'll have price index news by 1:30. So be very, very careful. And be very, very, very careful on what you are doing on the chart today. So let's check GBP/USD. Let's check GBP/USD. Good morning, good morning, good morning, my brother. Superman. Superman, sup man. Okay, sup man. How you doing, my brother? Good morning, good morning. How was your night? Hey, morning, sir. What on, sir? Fine. How your night now? Thanks, sir. So, good morning, good morning, good morning. Madu 001. Madu 001, you're highly welcome. I'm seeing your name for the first time on this channel. You're highly, highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. You understand? This is how we do it. Every morning and every evening, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. That is how we do it. You understand? The channel is for struggling forex traders. We'll come here to give ourselves the mind, you understand, the right mindset to keep pushing regardless. Because people who make it in the industry, they don't have to hate. So even we can be able to make it with consistency and discipline. We can make it, you understand, to the top. Just the way they make it to the top. They didn't do it overnight. It takes them time. It's going to take us time actually, but brutally, regardless we are going. You understand? No matter the loss and the profit, make sure you stick to your risk management and you are good to go. You understand? That's always what we discuss here. You understand? That's always what we discuss here. No matter what, we keep going. You understand? Regardless, we keep going. Only what I advise my viewers is, please don't be over risk, because the market will be always here. You understand? The market will be here and it will be here forever. You are the one that is going to leave the market. You understand? So even if you miss a trade today, doesn't mean you are going to miss a trade tomorrow. You understand? If you miss your setup today, your setup will still play out tomorrow or next week. You understand? So take it slow and steady. That is what we always do here. This channel is to motivate upcoming traders, struggling traders, and everybody. You understand? The channel is for everybody. We share idea together. If there is anything you even want to share, you can let me know. I'll send a link for you. You come on the chat, you come on the screen. Other people will be seeing you. You'll be narrating your view. You understand, on the chat. If you want to do that, you can send me. You can drop it on the comment section. I'll send you the link. Then you join me, so that you tell other viewer your story, or maybe your own advice that you have for beginner traders or an advanced trader. You understand? I don't know the level each of every one of you are in the market. Some of you might start the forex journey before me, but this channel is for all of us, not only me. The channel is not for only me. you can come on the live here to share your own story with your people, you understand, with other people, so that they will learn from your story, and other people will share their own just the way I share my own here every day and night. So you are highly welcome. So the one I'm going to check now is GBP USD. Once I check that GBP USD, I'll check gold. I'll check what gold is doing presently. Once I check what gold is doing presently, then maybe we'll call it a day, or whoever have a question will like ask their question, you understand. So that's what we are going to do here today. That's what we are going to do here today. And if we have a quality setup, then we'll take a trade together, you understand. If we have a quality setup, then we'll take a trade together. That's what we're going to do. You get, that's what we are going to do today. So let's see. So I'm going to Euro USD. Let me this is what they call inducement in the market. You understand? This is what they call inducement. The market will approach a major support. First of all, touch on the major support level, then try to approach the major support level. When it's trying to approach the major support level, it will create inducements. You understand? Make people buy from this particular type of inducement, then it will spike down, sweep them out before it will go in their favor. But let's see how it's going to be first. Nobody is going to jump on the trade, you understand. Just take trade based on what you know on the chart, you understand. It's only what you know that is going to make you a profitable trader, regardless. You understand? Regardless, is what you know that is going to make you a profitable trader. You understand? So you don't need to copy any other person's strategy. Your strategy work. Is only the only thing you need is to like re-strategize it. If your strategy give you loss more than profit, you re-strategize it, make it very strong so that it will like you re-strategize it so that it will be making you money. That is just it. You don't need to copy anybody's strategy or anything, you understand. So this is it. That's it. You understand? That's it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to analyze GAP then I'll be like target Euro USD from this particular support level. If I enter this trade, I'm going to like maybe risk 20 pip, highest maximum 20 pip. You understand? Then let me check GPUSD. I'm going to check GPUSD. If you want to join me live here like this, just send me a message so that I'll send the link for you, then you join me. If you want to join me, send me a link. Send me a message, then I'll send the link for you. Okay, this is exactly what I'm seeing on GPUSD as well. This is exactly what I'm seeing on GPUSD. All this one is yesterday analysis. Then this is exactly what I'm seeing. How did yesterday candlestick close? I told you guys, this week is brutally, you understand? Brutally is not favoring anybody that is strategy work on only buy, you understand? If your strategy work on only buy, this week is not going to be profitable for you, you understand? And I can see some video on the internet that some traders have quit, you understand, for this year because of constant loss and the rest. But regardless, we keep pushing. You understand? We keep pushing. So this is the major support level where the market is right now. You understand? We are going to see if the market will move from here to the upside or it will break below this particular support level to the downside. You understand? Once it breaks this particular support level, then this is what we are going to see. This is what we are going to see. This will be a resistance level. I'll be expecting the market to come to this particular resistance level, take out this particular high, you understand, maybe move from here to this particular resistance level, resistance level, take out this high, because this is the high that caused the breakout of this particular major daily time frame support level. You understand? Take out the high before we see it push to the downside. But regardless, let's see how it's going to be first. Let's see how it's going to be first. Let's see how it's going to be first. Then again, I'll go to weekly time frame. Show the week is about to close today. I'll go to weekly time frame. Let's see what the week is saying. Let's see what the week is saying. As you can see, the week it has break below this particular support level already. All we'll see now maybe a little retracement. Maybe it will not reach this particular side. This where we might see a little retracement next week from this particular support level. You understand? Then we might see a little retracement from here to this particular area before we see a push to the downside next week. And this is another support level that we'll be targeting. This is another support level. Understand? This is another support level that I'll be targeting. After this particular one is break to the downside, this is another support level that I'll be targeting. This is another one. So what I'll do from here now, the market is on this particular major support level. You understand? Then I'll go to daily time frame. Let me see. On the daily time frame, let me see what's happening. Is either the market move a bit to the upside before we see a break to the downside, or it will break automatically, then retest. Then it will break automatically, then retest a bit before we see a push to the downside, because the market is on a downtrend. You understand already? The market is on a downtrend already. So let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be. I'll go to 4-hour time frame. The mark is support and resistance level, and all the support and resistance level that I mark from the higher time frame correspond with the one on this thing 4-hour time frame. So I don't think there is need to any. Okay, let me just mark this particular place out. This is a minor support level on the 4-hour time frame. This is another support level on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm looking out for. The market to break below this particular support level, then we'll see a retest. You understand? After we see a retest, then we'll enter for a sell to the downside, because the market is on a downtrend. Then if the market reverses from this particular support level, it will retest this particular resistance level, then push to the downside straight. That's what I'll be expecting. Push to the downside straight. Then you not take it far. So it will push to the downside straight. This is what exactly I'm expecting. Then I'll go to the 15-minute time frame, because that's where I take my own action from. That's where I take my own action from. But before you do anything, you need to know what the market is doing from the higher time frame. You understand? Before you do anything on the lower time frame, you need to know the direction of the market from the higher time frame, so that you know how you can protect your capital. You understand? You need to know the direction of the market so that you can know how to protect your capital. Please, I need more questions on the comment section. I need more questions. I need more questions. I need more questions from you. I need more questions from you. I need more questions from you. I need plenty reactions. I need plenty reactions on the chat, please. I need plenty reactions on the chat. I need plenty reactions. If you can see, if you can hear my voice now, my voice don't change because of live stream. On my live stream, no day is you. Because of live stream now, my voice don't change. My voice don't change. Over change self. You understand? Over change. My voice over change. Jesus. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy, man. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. My voice don't change totally. I beg, I need a reaction from you guys. If you like what I'm doing, please tap on the like button, tap on the like button so that the YouTube will recommend it to more people. You understand? So that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Yeah, good morning, sir. Morgan. Hold on, sir. Okay, you want to check balance? So if you like what I'm doing now like this, please tap on the like button so that we will come in just a minute. My bro. This one is like that. This one is solid. Solid. Solid one. Not solid. Okay, this. Okay. Sorry, Emeka. Yeah, keep that curious. Eh, Leda Akwefa, Beatrice, you're highly welcome. I see you, my sister. Beatrice, you're highly welcome. I see you. I'm doing something, just a minute. You understand? I'm in the shop. At this shop, that's why. At this shop, this is, see where are they. You understand? This is my face here. You're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. I appreciate your coming. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm coming. Let me attend to my customers. I'll be back very, very soon. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. I don't know if you guys are still active, but please, today is Friday. Anything you are doing on the chat, be very, very, very careful. Hmm? Be very, very, very careful on what you are doing on the chat today. Today is Friday. Be very careful. Make sure you manage your risk very, very well. You understand? Make sure you manage your risk very, very, very well. You understand? Manage your risk very well, very well, very well, just as I said. Mm. Manage your risk very well. The market can go against you anytime. If you have been making profit this week, then you even need to stay away from the market this today. You understand? If you have been making profit this week, you need to stay away from the market today. You understand? So let's see how today market will be. Let's see how everything will go. You understand? Let's see how everything will go. That's just it. So if there is anything you want me to look into it, if there is anything you want me to check, just let me know. I'll check that thing for you, tell you my own view, you understand? And if there is anything you want to share with me, just let me know. I can bring you to the life, you understand, so that me and you go dey gist. You understand? I can bring you to the life so that me and you go dey gist. You understand? Don't change your strategy because of any other person's strategy. Your strategy dey work. All you need to do is work on your strategy very, very well, then you are good to go. Mm. Work on your strategy very, very well, then you are good to go. Don't change your strategy because of any other person's strategy. You understand? The reason for this channel is to keep you iron sharpens iron. That's the reason for this channel. I've even changed the name, but I'm not going to change my name from Benvfx. There's a reason for that name. You understand? If not, this particular channel is supposed to be iron sharpens iron, or struggling forex trader channel, you understand? But I'm not going to change the name. The topic I'll be using better topic, you understand? Because this channel, I'm not here to extort money from anybody. I'm not here to share my view for you guys to pay me or anything. I'm here to encourage upcoming traders that there is no way that they are going to give up, no matter what, regardless of what you are passing through. Don't give up for anything. You understand? Don't give up for anything. That is just what you need to know. You understand? Don't give up for anything. Don't give up for anything. People who did not give up for how many years now, you can see their life. You understand? You can see their life. So there's no way that you give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. You just keep going regardless. Hmm? You just keep going regardless. Regardless of what you're passing through, you keep going. That's it. Regardless of what you're passing through, you keep going. You keep going, keep going, keep showing up every blessed day. If there is anything you want me to like check for you, just let me know. I'm here. You understand? I'm here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, morning, bro. Activate. Okay. Mm.
How much? Now I will take some.
Start with two, then one more anime. Yeah, morning, bro. I know. How you nice? I'm all thank God, sir. Fine, fine. Thank you, sir. No. I'm not here to give anybody signal today. This week, this week have been the toughest week for me so far. I'm not here to give anybody signal today. This week have been a toughest week for me so far, so far, so far. So I'm not here to give anybody signal today. I'm just here to like have one like meet you guys no matter what, no matter the stress, no matter everything. If you can notice my voice change, you understand, because of always live stream, live stream, live stream, live stream. But regardless, we keep pushing, you understand. But if you have any question, you can ask me. If there is any chat you want me to open so that we'll analyze it together, but I don't know the strategy you use. So you just let me know so that we'll analyze it together. You understand? I don't know the strategy you use, but all you need to know is stick to your strategy. Your strategy work. You understand? Your strategy work. Even as my own is not like giving me exactly what I want now. You understand? Your own will be giving you, inshallah. You understand? That's just it. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. And if you want to join me live here, just let me know that you want to join me. Then I will send you the link that you can use to join me live here. You understand? So that's just it. That's just it today like this. I know they give anybody signal because the way this week just be, the week is just being rough. The week is just being rough. I'm just trying all my possible best so that I will not end the week in lost. That's just what I'm doing. You understand? I'm trying all my possible best so that I will not end the week in lost. That's the only thing I'm doing. Not that Omo, the week is rough. May nobody likes you. This week is being rough, the roughest so far. Some people have given up already. I see a video of one trader like that. I say he has given up for this week, for this year as a whole. You understand? But me, I do not see it as a wise thing to do, because regardless of what you are facing, there's no way you are that you need to like give up. He said he's been having a back-to-back loss for over how many months now. That's the reason why he wants to give up for this year as a whole. You understand? But me, regardless, although me this year I know quite all right, I'm going to end this year in profit regardless. It's just only this week that everything is just going sideways, but regardless, the loss self is not much. The loss is not much because I make sure I protect my capital. Yesterday I had a loss, but I make sure I struggle. Not that I'm preventing trade, but I struggle because of I use my technical analysis and everything to make sure I recover my loss. Do you understand? That is what I do yesterday throughout. But today, let me see how this particular today will end. You understand? I'm not here to give any signal. I'm here to encourage you guys that no matter what, you keep going regardless. No matter what, you keep going. Giving up is not an option. You understand? The week is rough for everybody. If you are having lost, just know that every other people are having lost. Even your top traders are having lost. Do you see that? Do you see anybody shouting on the internet that yes, I've made this, I made this? When the shout is last week, and last week has been good for everybody. You understand? But this week is just being very, very rough. You understand? All I'm struggling to do is to like make sure I end the week in profit at least, even if it's not much, but let it be at least maybe small in profit. But even if I end it in loss, no problem. You understand? But the loss will not be much because I know my capital, I protect my capital very, very tight, very, very well. So regardless, we keep pushing. You understand? There's nothing that will happen that will make you to quit. No, 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 no. Quitting is not an option. Giving up is not an option. You understand? I'm here to tell you that giving up is not an option. If there is any question, if there is anything you want me to talk about, just tell me so that I'll talk about. But giving signal today will not work. I'm not going to give any signal today. All I'm here to say today, this morning, before I call off the live stream, is to encourage you to keep going regardless of what you are facing, because what you are facing now is preparing you for the profits you get in time to come. You understand? What you are facing presently, everything we are facing now is preparing us, you understand, to become who we will become in future, in times to come. You understand? So you have to keep going. You have to keep going regardless. the loss that you're having, the profit you're having, people are having loss and profits. People who give up, now then fuck up. You understand? Whoever that refuse to give up must end, must like his future must be like be very very okay, you understand, be successful. That person must be a successful person in future, you understand. So you don't need to give up for anything regardless of what you are passing through. So if you want to come show your face here, just let me know on the comment section so that I will send you the link, then you join me so that we'll see our face to face, we'll discuss, we'll share our story together and the rest. And if there's anything you want me to talk about, just let me know so that we'll talk about that real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. I'm here for you guys. I'm here. This channel, gone, gone, gone. I bet when you know allow anybody use my name to scam you, because I'm not here to teach anything for money. You understand? I'm here to share my life story with you guys, my trading journey with you guys, and to encourage traders to keep going regardless. That is the reason why I'm here. Every evening, 8 p.m. is struggling forex trader live stream. You understand? Then every morning, London section, I come on the London section, I come live here to do my analysis and wait for strategy to play out. Then I'll take my trade. You understand? Since that's just what I've been doing, you understand. Then if you love what I'm doing, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people that is passing through a lot in the forex market, you understand, because the journey is very very hard and strong, you understand. As it's strong for you, it's strong to every other 99% of traders out there, you understand. Don't think you are the only one, but the 99% are those who give up, you understand. Please don't be among those who will give up in trading, you understand. Don't be among those who will give up on trading. That is the only advice I will have for you. Don't be among those who will give up on trading, you understand. Regardless, you keep pushing. Regardless, just keep pushing regardless. Just keep pushing regardless, you understand. Just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. That's the only thing that will make you profitable, you understand. Keep pushing, because had they been happy for his feet when he's passing through a lot in the forex market, this thing, if I no get access to see person like Don Jazzy for his life, you understand. But as he keep pushing regardless, he make sure he keep pushing, you understand. And now like this, him and Don Jazzy chill together. Don Jazzy even visit his this thing, his trading ground yesterday, you understand. So why will you quit? Why will you quit? Why will you quit? Mm? Won't you like to like meet the top celebrity that you look up to? You like to meet them, so you don't need to quit on trading. Me like this, I'll never, never, ever quit. Regardless, I'll never ever quit. You understand? I'll never ever quit. That's just it. I'm telling you guys the truth. I'll never quit. I'll never quit. This month, if I not this week as a whole, if I not end the week in profit, then the loss that I will end the week with will not be much. That's just it. The loss that I will end the week with will not be much. The loss that I will end the week with will not be much, regardless. Because I make sure I protect my capital very, very well. And that is what you need to be doing. You need to be protecting your capital. Regardless, you need to be protecting your capital. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how everything is going to be. You understand? Let's see how everything is going to be. So that strategy that you are using, your strategy works. So your strategy works very, very well. So if your strategy works, just keep redefining it, re-strategizing it, and everything. Then you keep going regardless. Then you keep going, and then you keep going. That's just it. Then you keep going. That's just it. You keep going regardless. So you keep going. Then you become profitable. Because even these people that you are seeing today, all of them, they have been in the game for over 9, 10 years now. So why won't you give yourself that time so that the whole world will recognize you? Why won't you give yourself that time so that the whole world will recognize you? Won't you want to be a celebrity? Would you want to be somebody that people will be looking up to? Mm? If you even give up on trading now, your children will be vexed for you. That's just it. In this video, even as we are just two on the live stream today now like this video will be here forever. My children will come to this video and say, ah, my dad said this type of thing, no. Let me keep pushing, no. You understand? So, like, your life is going to motivate the children you are going to give birth to. You understand? So keep pushing regardless. Don't let anybody, don't let anything make you quit trading for anything. You understand? So you keep pushing regardless. That's what I do. That's what I do. That's what I do. Man, that's what I do. Yep, that's what I do. Mm, 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 mm. Just keep going regardless. So if you have any question or maybe you want to maybe stay calm, just stay calm. You understand? So that we'll be like advising ourselves and keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. That's just it. We keep pushing regardless. Nothing they stop us. We are going to somewhere. You understand? We are going to somewhere. That's it. We are going to somewhere. We are going to somewhere regardless. We are going to somewhere. Yep. So I'll be waiting. If there is any question, just let me know. If there is any question, just let me know. I don't want to give signal today. That is just it. Because the way I'm going to trade today will be very, very different from the way you guys will be trading. If not, I've make. Let me show you guys. I've make. Um, I've make $25 already. As you can see, I've make $25 already. What I'm doing is just scalping, 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 scalping. I've make $25 already. You understand? But I don't want to give signal today. I give signal day for yesterday. Tuesday, I give signal we lost. Today, is it Wednesday? I give signal we lost. Yesterday, I give signal we end. We'll stop one out as it's going in against us. Then we'll put one on break even. Somebody may, good morning. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Just a minute, I'm coming. Just a minute, I'm coming. Destiny, you are welcome. Destiny, I can see your message. I can see your message. I can see your message. How are you doing today? I'm doing very great, my brother. I'm doing very, very, very great. Good morning. How was your night, bro? How was your night? How was your night? How was your night? How was the night going? Then how was the trading going? Hope you don't enter trade today. Hope you don't enter. You don't take trade today, va? You don't take trade today. I better be very careful. Manage your capital very tight too. Your capital is number one thing you're supposed to be protecting. You understand? So that you can still come back. So that you can still come back next week. You understand? Protect your capital with all your strength so that you can still come back next week. Let me see. Yes, sir. I chop SL first time. Jesus. See, this week, not be only you, my brother, not be only you. Now, everybody, you understand, but now everybody that is chopping SL. There's a video I see from one guy yesterday. That guy is a YouTuber, but I see that video on, but my profit is smaller than my, your, 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 your loss is smaller than your profit, Abi. Maybe that's what you mean. There's a video I see from on YouTube, Instagram yesterday. One guy said that he's going to give up on trading. You understand? But maybe for this year, he said for this year. But I don't think that's a good idea because this, although everybody have loss too, but if your own loss is too much, you just have to like maybe reduce. Maybe you don't know how to protect his capital. That's the reason why. You understand? Maybe you don't know how to protect his capital. See a trade that I take today. See a trade that I take today. I don't want to call any signal for people today because the week is very, very rough. See this trade, I take it on Euro USD. You understand? It's going very, very well now. I take this trade on Euro USD, a buy on Euro USD. How much now? This is $11.7 in profit. Then I see how much I've made today so far. See how much I've made today so far. I've made $25 so far from the chart. You understand? But the way the market be, this week market just did somehow. So I cannot call signal. You understand, for anybody. I know the reason for this particular channel is to like encourage beginner traders and struggling traders. You understand? Tuesday I call signal, we end SL. Wednesday I call signal, we end SL. Thursday, which is yesterday, I call signal, it go against us. I say let them cut it out. They cut it out, we enter for a buy. The buy go in our favor like 1-2, I mean 1-1. Then the guy that take the trade with me opt out his own. I tell him that he should opt out his own. He opt out his own. Then I put my own on break even. He come down and hit my break even. Yesterday I just manage. After the live stream, I manage, recover my loss. You understand? But today I've make up to $25 already, and then this one is $12-13 in profit. This one is $12-13 in profit already. So I don't want to call signal today again. Okay, and today now that I refuse to call signal, trade is going in my favor. Can you imagine? Today that I refuse to call signal, now trade is going in my favor. But nevertheless, let's see how it will go. I'm going to even put it on break even because I don't want to end the week in loss. That is what I don't want to see. Ending the week in loss, that is a taboo. You understand? Ending week in a loss, that is a taboo. Good morning. I see you, my brother. You're highly welcome. Sir, I took a sell on Euro USD at that same point. You took a buy. You took a sell, I took a buy. Shey, that's the reason why I told you guys that everybody have different view on the market. So there is no way to there is no need to give signal. You understand? Everybody have different way of like different view on the market. That is why you can see some people will be losing and some people will be gaining. You understand? Good morning, La Vega. Good morning, La Vega. You're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. You understand? I know the market is trying to sell, but the market is on a major support level. You understand? And you guys know what I always use to confirm my entry. Make I share my screen for you so that you see. Make I share my screen for you so that you see. I believe the market is going to cover that fair value gap. So me, I'll just put it on break even now because I don't want to have loss again today. I've put it on break even already. If the market come down to hit my break even, see, I'll put it on break even. If the market come down to hit my break even, then that's all for today. If the market come down to hit my break even, then that's all for today. This is it. I'll put it on break even. You understand? So let me see how far. Let me see how far the market can go. You understand? Let me see how far the market can go. So let's see. I'm not losing anything. My $25, the $25 that I make is secured. You understand? Then the one that is running now is secure. That is risk-free trade now. You understand? So all I'm protecting is my capital, not anything. I'm not pursuing win in the market. I'm protecting my capital. My capital is the number one thing I always protect so that I can be able to come tomorrow. You understand? So that I can be able to come next tomorrow. You understand? So let's see how it will go. You understand? Everybody have different view on the market. Everybody have different view, have their own different view on the market. So let's see how it will go. I just pray you end the week in profit. That just go. But even if you do not end the week in profit, next week still day. So you need to like be very patient. Don't rush anything. Protect your capital so that you can be able to come next week again. You understand? That's just the thing. So that you can be able to come next week again. That is just the thing. Mhm. Protect your capital. Protect your capital. Capital is the number one thing that you need to protect. Capital is the number one thing that you need to protect. Capital is the number one thing that you need to protect. So I don't end the week in profit. Why? Like you did not end the week in profit. I don't understand. You did not end the week in profit. You end it in profit. Means you end it in loss or you end it in profit. Just tell me, clear me. Yes, I did not. But hope your loss is not more than your loss to like your loss is not much, Abi. Your loss is not much, Abi. Hope your loss is not much. Hope your loss is not much. Hope your loss is not much. That would be number one thing. Mm? If your loss is not much, and if you do not lose your account, then you are still very good. But all I will tell you is I will send you screenshots. I'll screenshot it now and send it to you on WhatsApp. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. I'll be waiting for that. You understand? See, my own now, I take partial profit from the one that is running because this week is very rough. This is how much I make today now. I've made $32 already. You understand? I've made $32 already. I just want to like make sure I not end this week in loss. I'm trying all my possible best so that I'll not end this week in loss. I be won't give the signal. You understand? I be won't give the signal on that particular Euro USD, but I say, okay, the signal that I've been giving is not favoring. So everybody have their own way of trading. So let me just keep calm. You understand? Let me just keep calm. So I just say make I keep calm, you understand? So I wish everybody I wish everybody well, because this week, let me not lie for you, this week is very, very rough. You understand? This week is very, very rough. I'm telling you the fact. This week is very, 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 very rough. You understand? That's the plain truth. This week is very, very rough. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay. Uh-uh. You demand you dey manage your you dey manage risk well well now. I don see am already. I've seen it. I've seen it. You dey manage risk well well. You manage risk well well. You dey try. You understand? You are really really trying. You are really 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 trying. You understand? What do you want? No, you manage risk very very well. I even appreciate self. This is very nice. So this one with this one now with this loss is not much. You understand? This loss is not much. You can be able to come back next week. But next week, all you need to do is don't be greedy. You understand? Greediness is a killer. Don't be greedy. Anytime you enter a trade and you see that the trade have given you 1 to 1, 1 to 2, make sure you take partial profit and put it on break even. Even if the market lie, let it hit you out, but your capital stay intact for you. Is very very good, except if the market did not go in your favor before it's reversed against you. If the market go in your favor like 1 to 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, make sure you take partial profit. At least take partial profit, then you put the remaining one on break even. That's what you need to be doing every blessed day. Your capital is the number one thing you need to be protecting. Just a minute, let me attend to somebody. So what I'm saying is, please, no matter what, always protect your capital. You understand? Always protect your capital. You understand? Your capital is the number one thing that will keep you in the game for long. You understand? Your capital is the number one thing that will keep you in the game for long. And the more you stick to, like, the more you have capital to come to the chart, the more you understand how the charts work. You understand? The more you understand how the charts move. So please protect your capital by all means. Protect your capital by all means. You understand? And if you want to join me live here, just let me know so that I'll send you the link. Then you send request, then I'll bring you up. You understand? So that we'll share story together. If you have any advice for the upcomers, for the new traders, for beginner traders, then you give your own advice to the beginner traders. Let them see your face. You understand? So that's just all I need to do. That's just all I do here. This channel is for beginner traders, because I don't want any beginner trader to stop forex trading regardless. And I'm here to like guide you not to over risk your accounts, just to make sure your capital is the number one thing you need to be protecting every day and night. So if you want to come on the live here to like share your own story, or maybe give a beginner trader an advice, I know, see, there's something about traders. No any trader will like no matter what you say, they will not take it very serious because their own is what they like, is the number one thing they always, their own is the most important thing to them. You understand? Traders have that mentality that, what is this one saying? What is even saying is not even making any sense. Traders have that mentality where if you give signal, see, you will be seeing buy on the chart, another person will be seeing sell in the market. So what you are doing is not making any sense to that person. What you are saying is not making any sense to that person, especially if you lose your trade. eh? People who are watching you will be like, what is he even doing? But it's not like that. See, this is where the game of trading is. This is where the game of trading is. Anybody who will go far in trading, this is where the mentality is. This is your mindset, is how far you can go in trading. You understand? Not your ego, not your pride, not your anything. Because with pride, with pride you can lose everything. You understand? With pride you can lose everything. You understand? So here is what will keep you going. Your mindset, your psychology is what will keep you going in this particular industry, not anything. See, they like, no matter how well your strategy is, you must chop SL. You understand? But if you have all this pride and greed, if you are somebody who have greed, before you know you don't blow account, before you know you don't blow account, before you know you don't blow account, and before you know you give up. After maybe 1 2 3 years you give up on trading, and that's not how it works. Always make sure you protect your capital. Listen to somebody who have like at least even what the person is, even if you see that what the person is doing on the chart does not make sense, but what the person is saying is making sense, at least you have to be picking from that person. Don't follow what the person is doing on the chart, but follow what the person is telling you, follow the advice the person is giving you. You understand? That is how you are going to learn. You learn from here, learn from here, learn from here, then you gather everything together. The one you're supposed to pick, you pick. The one you're supposed to throw away, you throw away. Then you use the one that will be good for you. You understand? That is the gate. That is how me I learn, and that is the way I want every beginner traders to learn. Because me, the level I am in the trading industry, I've never wanted to pay anybody to teach me forex. That is number one thing you guys need to know. Everything I'm teaching you guys today, I learn everything the hard way. I learn everything through experience. And experience is the best teacher. I learn everything through losing, through crying, through heartbroken, through everything. That's how I learn my trading. You understand? The strategy that I'm using today, you will never see anybody use that type of strategy. Who are you seeing that when you see W pattern from the support level and engulfing candle, then you enter your trade? Who is talking about that? The first of all, draw trend line, put Fibonacci retracements, put this thing indicator that will give them signal, this and that. But my own is not like that. Some people trade break and retest. You understand? When market break support level and it retest, they will just enter for a buy. But my own is not like that. I only take trade from the support level and the resistance level, seeing a W pattern or an M pattern with engulfing candle. Simple as that. It might not make any sense to anybody. That particular strategy, they make sense to people. If I say that is my strategy, I dey feel how some people go dey feel like, how is it even, how that started? They want me to be saying, yes, I'm an ICT trader, I'm SMC trader, I'm this and that. No, the language, all those grammar are not going to make you profitable. You understand? This year, I will end this particular year that people are giving up already. I'm going to end it in profit. You understand? This month, I'm going to end this month in profit. My last 3 months is in profit. My last month is in profit. My last week is in profit. It's only this week that is stressing me. But regardless, if I not end it in profit, then it will be 50-50 or maybe small loss. And you guys are going to see how everything played out. You understand? You guys are going to see how everything played out. No matter how rough the week is, I know how to protect my capital. Understand? I know what to risk. I know how to protect my capital. That one I learn it the hard way. Yeah, good morning. Come inside. What? Okay, no, you know the. You understand? Everything I learn it the hard way. So even if you don't see my trading strategy valuable, just please the advice, use the advice, use some of the advice, not all. You understand? The channel is for beginner trader, not to give up. You understand? Because there is something, there is research me I make myself. I don't make research, enough research. You understand? That people who make it to this particular 1% out of 100 and make it to this to the profitability are people who do not give up, and they have spent more than 9 to 10, 12, 15 years in the game. You understand? Okay, currently this is how the trade is going. Sure, you can see my entry. Sure, you can see my entry, and you can see where the market is right now. You understand? So I've take partial profit upon partial profit. I've closed trade upon like I don't over close trade. You understand? This is it. This is how much I've gained so far. This is $35 in profit already. You understand? So and the reason why I'm doing it this way, 35 or $32 in profit already. The reason why I'm doing it is I want to end the week in profits, regardless. Oh. And this particular one that is running is on break even already, so it's risk free. Even if it reverse back down now against me, I've secured I've secured my entry. You understand? I've secured it. Even if the trade like let it spike, let it jump down. You understand? I've secured my capital. I've take some profit out, and I've secured my capital. You understand? So for the last 1 week now, let me check. For the last 1 week, okay, see my last 1 week, I'm up in profit. I'm up in $50 in profits last 1 week. But the main result will be tomorrow. The main result will be tomorrow, because trade that I take today last week is still among this particular one. You understand? Tomorrow, which is Saturday, that is when I'm going to know my real P&L of the week. You understand? And I'm going to make a short video about that. You understand? All I'm doing, good morning, fam. Good morning, Jidato. How are you doing? How is SA today? Ending the week profitably. Well done. I'm going to end the week profitable regardless of the struggle. You know me now. You don't, you know me for long. You understand? You know me. You know, brutally we are going. brutally we are going, regardless, man. Regardless. Brutally we are going. I know they give up. Oh. No. That one not even dey my lineage. I know they give up. You understand? And you know how well I protect my capital. You know how well I protect my capital. Yesterday, the loss I have yesterday, I manage. Come out of the loss. You understand? Now today like this, I'll make up to 32. I'll make up to I'll make up to $32 in profit now already. See the one that is going. Is a buy. I took this buy. See how it's going. Had it been I leave all my trade, everything that all the position that I enter, had it been I leave it, but I would don't make more than $200 from this trade, but I'm not greedy. Instead of me to end the week in loss, but I would rather end it in profit. Even if it is just $1 in profit, I know that yes, I try. I'm not greedy. This year, this my year, is a risk management year. Next year will be bumper to bumper. You understand? This year is a risk management year. You understand? Then my discipline and my risk management year. That's what this year is all about. Next year will be bumper to bumper. Do you understand? Do you get? Next year will be bumper to bumper. If I go blow account, it go be next year, not this year at all, at all, at all. I no go blow any account this year. I won't blow any account this year. But you see, next year will be bumper to bumper. You understand? Next year will be bumper to bumper. Bumper to bumper, straight ahead. You understand? Straight ahead. Straight ahead, oh, straight ahead, oh. Straight ahead, oh. Nothing they stop me. Next year will be very brutally, oh. Next year will be very, very brutally, man. Next year will be brutal. Next year will be brutal, man. Make I see what the market is doing. If I will hold or I will. Okay, I'm going to hold this one. Let it hit SL or let it hit break even or SL. You understand? They have taken our lives already, and my laptop battery, no, the last. They have taken our lives already. Let me see. Maybe in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to call off the live. Then we'll see in the evening. You understand? We'll see in the evening. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to call off the live. Then we'll see in the evening. I beg, I beg. If you end the week in lost, don't panic. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Don't take any aggressive trade today. There is a news coming out by 1:30. You understand? Be very, very careful. Don't say because you end the week in loss, then you go and take unnecessary trade. Please don't go and take unnecessary trade, abeg, just to recover your loss. Don't go and take unnecessary trade just to recover your loss. To make I see wetin dis guy P-Lord, see my guy, see P-Lord, I see you, see na now you dey come. If I catch you, if I catch you, P-Lord, if I catch you, oya na, oya na, oya na. Ah, see you in the evening. All right, give that to my SA babe. My SA babe. I don't know if you are married or not, but now you be my babe for SA, for South Africa. Now you be my babe. I don't catch you early. Oh. I don't catch you early. Oh. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, now, oh yeah, now. I don't know if you are married already, but now you be my South African babe now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Before your boyfriend will come the best for you. I don't know if your boyfriend is on this particular life. Bomber to bomber, we are going. People, Lord, I see you, my brother. I see you. 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 Are you still active? People, Lord, are you still active? If you are still active, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Abi you just flash go. Abi you just flash go. Abi you just flash go. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to end the live. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to end the live. Okay, okay, okay. People Lord is active. People Lord is active. I believe you. 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 I believe you, my bro. How was the week? How was the week going? Is it rough or smooth for your side? Is the week rough or smooth? Are they active? Aggressively active. Aggressively active. Is the week smooth or let me see? Come out for here. You are a joker. Ah! Did that too. Did that too. Now if you my SA babe, in case see if you try me, I go jail you. If you my SA babe, you my South African babe. You understand? If you my South African babe, don't deny that. If my South African babe. But I don't know if you're married or not. Sha. If you're married, let me know in my WhatsApp. Oh. If you're married already, let me know. If you are married already, let me know. I didn't take much trade, but it was good. Oh, that's very great. 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 Oh, people, Lord, I believe you now. You always key good. See, this guy, this people, Lord, now God master. Oh. If na no sabi, I'm on go follow people, Lord, on this thing X. People Lord na God master. If he give you strategy, if he give you signal on good, na straight ahead. And he's very, very active on Twitter, you understand, which is X. He's very, very active on X. People Lord, People Lord na big name for X. So if you don't know, People Lord na big name for X. For Twitter, Big Lord na big name. You understand? So let me see. G to show face for live stream. To no one show face. So. But I don't confirm and say to na fine girl. I confirm am. You understand? If you hear her voice, I no wan cast am. If you hear her voice, if you hear to voice, una go snatch am from you. I no go even want make she show her face for live stream here. No be see no people na for you na whining ke I no dey follow you. Me I no dey follow you for Twitter. If na whining I no dey follow you for Twitter. Okay, you think say I no dey follow you for Twitter bomber to bomber abi? You wey go first give signal, then later come see people no dey play with me. I'm about to end this live stream now. People no play with me. Which one be whining? I no dey follow you for Twitter. I dey follow you for X now. You think say I no know? You wey be baba. You wey be baba for gold. You wey dey kill gold. Get out. Think say I no know. Hey, abeg, I just pray make these people give me light, abeg. See how Euro USD is going. Almost see push on Euro USD. See push on Euro USD, and I don't take out almost all my position. See the push. I don't take out almost all my position. I don't take them out and see push. More than how many people now? More than, let me check. Oh yeah, just that the people no they too much like that. It's just 8 people. Then how many people did I even reach save? I think I reached 5 people. I think yeah. So see push. See the push on Euro USD. See where I enter from. See the push. Had it been this one a gold like this? Had it been a gold be this or more? Waiting you for the pack from gold. Okay. You think so I no catch you? You dey whine? Don't joke with me. I catch you now. They always bomber to bomber now. You dey whine? Bomber to bomber. You don't know say I dey active on Twitter. I dey see you. Always active. You will be oga kpatakpata for Twitter. You will be oga kpatakpata for Twitter. Shey na Twitter una dey show una face now. Una no wan show face for YouTube. No wahala. Make we hold YouTube first. Dey wait for una. You understand? We go hold YouTube first. Dey wait for una. So let me see. I don't take almost all my position out now on this thing, but I like it that way. I like it. I don't want to end the week in loss. No. And greediness is the only thing that will make you end your week in loss. You understand? Greediness is the only thing that will make you end your week in loss. You get? Greediness is the only thing that will make you end your week in loss. Because no greediness, risk management, and greediness is among, because maybe trade will be going in your favor, but you refuse to close it until it will reverse back down and hit your ACL. You understand? That thing is a very big issue. I will need to talk about it in the evening. We need to talk about that particular thing in the evening. So see you guys in the evening. Please. My battery is going down. See you guys in the evening. Sorry for cutting it short. They took our lights. You understand? They don't carry NEPA. They don't carry lights. So I see you guys in the evening by 8 p.m. sharp. Let's come together and rub minds. So I love you guys. Bye for now. If you are still active, let me see active. Then please like the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. channel, please subscribe to the channel now like this. Please, please, please. This channel is for beginner traders. You understand? It's for beginner traders where beginner traders come and rub mind. You understand? So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever we are going live, you'll be among us so that we all grow together as one family. That's what I want. You understand? Struggling traders are the reason for my live stream. That is the topic for evening. You understand? So we are going to rub mind. I will bring up a lot of people so that we'll talk our story together. So see you guys in the evening. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. Take care. All of you. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care. I love you guys. I love you guys.